Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's take a look at one of our 4 agreements. Release the need to be right. Be impeccable with your word. When you believe something, you assume you're right. You may even destroy relationships in order to defend your position. Let go of the need to defend your position. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials down 57, NASDAQ up 45, S&P's down 4. Percentage-wise, what you have is this. You have the NASDAQ up 0.7%, Dow down 0.2, S&P realistically flat. Gold contract trading up a price point of $380 at $12.4730. Silver, flat, $16.41. Platinum, up $6, $9.28 an ounce. Copper up 3.5 pennies, trading at $2.60 a pound. Light sweet crude, just can't handle price, folks. This is going to be interesting watching how this crude trades out. We're down $1.06. You're at $42.45. That baby looks like number one wants to go after $40, but you know the last swing low is about $39.85. In fact, let's go take a look at that CLQ7. So your last swing low, CL1. I actually got to put a continuous contract up. What you're going to see out here is that this baby went down with over 1 million contracts today, which is huge contract volume. Yeah, $39.19. That's what this baby's going to go after. Pretty intense. We got into the $42.20 today. We went to $42.05. That was the swing that was established in November of 2016. You know, so we'll see whether it ends up number one holding the $39. Bonds, notes and bonds continue to want higher price. It's it's an ever-ready bunny out here. You have the 10-year note right now trading, yielding 2.158. You know, 2.126 is the low for the last 6 months. And, you know, bottom line, we're at the lower end of that whole curve. You want to do a refinance, you want to go buy a house, go do it, folks. Bottom line, those are low interest rates. On a 30-year, you're talking probably about 3.65, right around there. Not bad. When we talk about the 30-year bond, also, bottom line, refuses lower price. This closed at 156.14, and 156.14, folks, is a closing high for this in the last, let's see, how long? This would be from November, I believe, because election night, that's where the downdraft started. Yeah, it did. Well, so we've been going up since January, since March 17th. It was at 147. You've added 10 points to 157. You're coming into the downdraft. That was a vicious downdraft. On election night, we had gone from 164 to 155. So what we have now is this. You're at 157.19. You have a confirmed ABC structure in the way up with a price projection of 159.30, which is almost 160. So, you know, as we get closer to if we get that price projection, then your probability goes much higher that you're going to go right to the high, which is 164 of that downdraft, which is pretty intense. So when you take a look at the 30-year Treasury, right now is 2.72. King dollar. What do we have with King dollar? King dollar, once again, can't handle price. This is a seller in King dollar. And what we have out here, King dollar down 187 ticks. Light volume, we only did 14,000 contracts, so it's going to have to get more contract volume as it moves to lower price. Bottom line, though, you're in the lower range once again. It just can't handle even a counter trend bounce, which is pretty intense, man. This King dollar should have been able to bounce up to like 98.260. That in itself, folks, would just be a counter trend bounce. You know, when you take a look at King dollar year to date, what you're going to see is this. We bring this up, we take a look at it, and what you're going to see, put this back, we'll just put it back for 1 year. And what you're going to see is that, you know, a year ago, this is pretty cool. So a year ago, we're at 96,600. It runs all the way to 103 and then gives it up again. Yeah. After the closeout here, Oracle. Oracle came out with numbers. Let's see what they have to say. Oracle closed at $46.33. That's trading up $4 right now, $50.90. And Oracle does have a high volume high, $46.99. It's going to blow it away. Let's see what they have to say. So Oracle, revenue, the estimate revenue is $10.45 billion. They took in $10.94 billion. Big number. The earnings estimate, 78 cents. They took in 89 cents. Also a big number. They beat on the bottom. They beat in the top. And that's going to, they see, let's see. Oracle sees selling a lot more than $2 billion in new cloud accounts in fiscal year 2018. They see their fourth quarter revenue. No, that is the fourth quarter revenue. Okay, so bottom line is that they have higher price, they have higher revenue, they have all of the above. The Qs, what do the NASDAQ do out here today? Bottom line, folks, you closed at the higher end. After this downdraft, NASDAQ, the Qs want to go after 140.93. The SPYs, a little bit different story out here in the SPYs. SPYs go sideways. You're down 6 cents, but that's a sideways move. You have light volume. SPYs would need heavier volume in order to get to lower price. Right now, it only did 54 million shares. Yesterday, you did 56 on the way down. Bottom line, you're coming into 84 million. So it's going to need a lot more than that to get to lower price. We go take a look at the small caps. Small caps, small caps are going to lead. Okay. Small caps did have an expansion of volume. Small caps came down 35 cents, 22 million shares. Small caps continue to have a hard time. And bottom line, small caps do look like they're going to now try to go after the 139. Right now, you're at 139.45. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back. Dow Industrials closed down 57. NASDAQ up 45. S&P's down 4. We're going to be right back.